I'm fixing to read Unit 8 test to you. Guys, if you have your star chart, please get it out. Please use the formulas off of it. Remember that we talked about big B and how it interchanges. It should interchange for different things. So like volume equals big B times H. That big B represents the area of the base. So your base is either a rectangle or a triangle for a prism. Pyramids were different. They had a different formula. They had this 1/3 big BH right up here. Okay, depending on what the base was, that changed that. So make sure you pay attention to all of those things. Okay, so first things first. Number one, I'm going to read it and then I'm going to highlight. And you need to think about what formula and what picture you're going to use when you come back to it. A rectangular closet is 2 feet deep, 5 feet wide, and 7 feet tall. What is the volume of the closet in cubic feet? So a rectangular closet, 2 feet deep, 5 feet wide, 7 feet tall. What is the volume? Okay, so I would look on my formula chart, make sure I had the volume formula, sub in all the things that we talked about. Okay, number two, a box of candy is shaped like a triangular prism as shown below. How many cubic centimeters of candy can the box hold? Okay, how many cubic centimeters of candy can the box hold? So anything we're talking about holding, we're talking about volume, okay? So that same formula, you're going to have to sub it in. Note it by knowing what the base is. Okay, number three. Daryl is going camping, is taking a tent. Shown below. How many cubic feet of space will he have inside the tent? Okay. Okay, that's the last one on that page, right? Next page. The Louvre Museum, I guess that's how you say it, is in France, is a glass square pyramid. The sides measure 100 feet, and it reaches a height of 72 feet. How many cubic feet of water could it hold if it were turned into an aquarium? Okay. Take your picture, label the things from your question. Number 5. The Pyramid of the Moon is a pyramid in Mexico. Each side of the base measures 40 meters and had an original height of 66 meters. How much treasure could fit inside the pyramid if it were perfectly hollow? How much treasure? We're talking how much we could put in. It's always volume if we can. Number 6. The box of cereal shown below has a volume of 192. The area of the base is 24 inches squared. What is the height of the box? We did this skill on the review, okay? Think about what we did. Gives you all the information. You got to find something that's a missing value. Okay, number 7. The Pyramid of Khufu is a square pyramid, 9 meters tall. The perimeter of the base of the pyramid is 100 meters. How much buried treasure could the pyramid hold if it were perfectly hollow? Number 8. The cube pictured above has a side length of 4 centimeters. What is the lateral surface area of the cube? Number 9 goes with the same picture and it says, what is the total surface area of the cube? Lateral and total. Oops, my bad. Okay, question number 10. Use the diagram below for questions 10 and 11. The pyramid has a square base with sides of 3 feet and congruent triangle sides with a height of 4 feet. What is the lateral surface area of the pyramid? What is the total surface area? Okay, lateral then total. Number 12. The rectangular prism has bases that measure 2 centimeters by 4 centimeters, sides measuring 4 by 6 and 2 by 6. What is the lateral surface area? Looks a lot like that review question. Okay, number 13. The triangular prism below has an equilateral triangular base with sides of 4 inches and height of 4.5 and rectangular sides measuring 4 by 7. What is the total surface area of the prism? Number 14. The pyramid shown below is made of 4 congruent equilateral triangles. Man, it's not wanting to move. And heights that have heights, okay, equilateral triangles with sides of 6 centimeters and heights of 6.7 centimeters. What is the total surface area? Okay, so you're here, 4 congruent equilateral triangles, sides of 6, heights of 6.7, total surface area. Okay.